Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into real-life percentage increase problems. Here's the formula for percentage increase. New value minus original value divided by the original value times 100%. And here's the problem we're going to solve. A Mang Inasal branch recorded 85,000 pesos in sales in 1 week. After a week, it increased to 120,500 pesos. And here's the question. What is the percentage increase in its sales? To answer the problem, let's use the percentage increase formula. But first, we're going to identify the original value and the new value. The original sales were 85,000 pesos and the new sales increased to 120,500. And here's the solution. Based on the given problem, the original value and the new value are the following. Original value is the original sales, while new value is the new sales. So our original value or the original sales is 85,000 pesos. And the new value or the new sales is 120,500. So it increased from the original to the new sales. So since we already know the new value or the new sales and the original value or original sales, we will substitute the known values into the formula to find the answer. New value is 120,500 pesos minus the original value, which is 85,000 pesos, divided by the original value, which is 85,000 pesos, times 100%. Next step is to simplify. So 120,500 pesos minus 85,000 pesos is equal to 35,500 pesos. So this is the difference between 120,500 and 85,000. And this is what we call the increase. So 35,500 divided by 85,000 pesos times 100%. The next step is to simplify. So 35,500 divided by 85,500 pesos is equal to 0.4176 times 100. To get the percentage increase, we multiply 0.4176 by 100. And the answer is 41.76%, or it is 42%. So the sales increased by 41.76% or 42% in 1 week. This means that compared to the previous week's sales of 85,000 pesos, the new sales amount of 120,500 pesos is 41.76% or 42% higher. So it increased. In other words, the business earned significantly more money than the previous week. An increase of nearly half of the original amount in just 1 week. So which is considered a strong improvement or amazing growth in business term. Okay, so that is how to find the percentage increase. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. And let me know in the comments what kind of math problems do you want me to solve next. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.